Hello everyone. Greetings of the day from Tech Engineers. We are going to update PDMS tutorial and update it daily part wise. So today we are going to introduce our introduction part of PDMS. So keep watch it, understand it, and for daily updates subscribe us, like us, follow. Okay, all without wasting time, today I'm going to explain you how to operate a PDMS. Basically, we are today going to see that how it can work. Okay, they have a one sample plant. We see how it operates and how it's designed exactly. Basically, we can see this is a drawing area, modeling area in which we are model. Okay, we have a design world like here, we have a different size like here, then we can have a design tool, and then after that display, and then all settings are here, edit, view, then selections are there, query. Like this we have a all modules are here where that we are going to operate, like a setting, utilities, create, modify, or all these things. Okay, likewise we have these all tools to operate. Similarly, we can operate from here directly, just like a zoom, draw to walk. All these tools we can operate from here directly. It is for saving our time, and these are the basically word of the site. So okay, start with the stabilizers sample plan. Okay, they have its own site. Whenever we are going to create a project, we have to create our own site. Okay, so just example for here is a stabilizer site. Click on that. We can see this project are here. We are going to see our stabilizer plan. Okay, which operate here. We have to simply drag here. We can see here. So this type of plant we are going to design. This is just only a sample plant of a PDMS which involve already in this software. These are the structures. Okay, so likewise we have a after side, we have a different zone, like a equipment zone area, roam zone area, piping zones, building zones. This type all zones for the separation of all parts. Okay, in that zone we have to create a zones and other equipments. If we have a structure, then structures. Okay, if you have a pipe, then we have to create the pipes. These all like this. Then we have a particular part in zone. Okay, you are going to whenever